Dear all, it is with deep regret and great emotion that I learned that Dr. P.K. Warrior, head of Kottakkal Aryavadyashala, has passed away at the age of 100 years. And it is also with great regret that I cannot participate today in this ceremony in his memory and share with all of you here present our memories and tribute to this great Vaidya. Unfortunately, I'm currently without internet connection for a few days. Nevertheless, it is a great honor for me, and I am profoundly touched to be able to transmit this message to you. And thanks, Dr. Indulal, for asking me to express a few words on this day. I met Dr. P.K. Warrior in 2010 during my stay in Kottakkal while I was doing my research on Ayurveda in India for my master thesis in anthropology at the University of Neuchâtel in Switzerland. At that time, I barely knew about Ayurveda, and I had chosen to conduct a study on Kottakkal Aryavadyashala, which seems to me to be a cornerstone of Ayurveda in India. I had no idea how much this stay and my research in Kottakkal AVS would guide the rest of my career path and would leave such a deep impression on me. Kottakkal Aryavadyashala generously opened its door to me, gave me the opportunity to immerse myself directly in Ayurveda, allow me to initiate the beginnings of my research and to realize a first very beautiful master thesis on the institutionalization of Ayurveda in India. I had the privilege to meet and exchange with many Vaidyas of AVS, among them Dr. Raja Gopalan, who was very welcoming. My exchanges with all these Vaidyas contribute to my growing interest in Ayurveda and were very stimulating. Their interest in my research deeply touched me. I also remember the warm exchanges I had with all the people in AVS. I will always keep in me this extraordinarily and deeply touching human experience. This stay in Kottakkal was unique for me, and from then on I decided to continue to work on Ayurveda because it was so inspiring for me. I would like to express my great gratitude to Dr. P.K. Warrior, thanks to whom I was able to live this experience and who particularly inspired me. I still remember our first meeting. I had decided to interview him for my research, and I saw he didn't want to meet me. I was asked to give him my question in advance, and I had to wait several days to meet him. But then I realized that, because of his advanced age, he could not hear well, and that in my then raw English, he wanted to make sure he could answer them well. I still see him sitting in front of me, extremely calm and smiling, very humble, and I was immediately impressed by his person. He also took the time to receive me, even though he seems to have a lot of work to do during this busy summer period at the center. When I arrived, he was working on patient cases, and I remember being impressed with his dedication to patients, continuing to work at his advanced age. Our exchange was extremely inspiring, but most of all, very touching, and I will always remember that image. And I am particularly honored to have had the opportunity to meet such a great person and Vaidya. This stay in Kottakkal allowed me to meet a whole generation of traditional Vaidyas, witnesses of the evolution of this medicine and its history. They transmitted to me a part of this history, and since then I try to pass it on in turn through my research. Since then, I have been able to continue my path and my research on Ayurveda. I have just finished my PhD thesis on Ayurveda in Switzerland, following my research in Kottakkal. This first PhD thesis on Ayurveda in Switzerland has been highly acclaimed, and I am proud to be able to collaborate in a common vision for the development of Ayurveda globally. In a way, this is perhaps my own contribution in memory and honor of the incredible work done by Dr. P.K. Warrior, who was committed to the development of Ayurveda, who has greatly perpetuated the tradition of this ancestral medicine. So, it is truly with great honor that I express these few words and memories today, and my sincere condolences to his family, his relatives, the Kottakkal Aryavadyashala, and the Ayurveda community in India and around the world. Kottakkal AVS and Dr. P.K. Warrior were a very enriching encounter for me and deeply contribute to my interest in Ayurveda. I am very touched to have met him at the beginning of my path toward this knowledge and to have been inspired to continue my research on Ayurveda, which led me to accomplish this PhD thesis on Ayurveda in Switzerland. Although I cannot be there with you today in presence, be sure that my heart and my soul are with you on this day of commemoration, and that it is a great honor to express these few words. I wish you all a wonderful ceremony in memory of Dr. P.K. Warrior, whom I will always remember. With my deepest respect, I wish you all a beautiful day.